Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to negotiate your salary using Know Your Worth in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you will need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. Where, as you can see, we have the community where you can go and post your stuff. And you can also go and see some of other people's posts if you want. You have jobs where you can go and find your perfect job. Also, you can put your location and the job name to get it immediately. What else you have? You have companies. Where, as you can see, you can find a workplace that works for you. So basically, if you have an employer in mind, you can search for a selected company here and search for it. Also, we have salaries. So are you paid fairly? Find out. You can go and find your job title, put the location, and find if your salary is right. Also in the top right corner, you have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to negotiate your salary using Know Your Worth in Glassdoor. Start by evaluating what you have to offer, then research the market average. You can also prepare your talking points, and you can schedule a time to discuss. You can rephrase with a trusted friend. You of course need to be confident, lead with gratitude, and ask for the top of your range. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.